So if you're having issues after converting your timeline to multicam, you might see that you don't have sound. Like if you see from mine right here, there's no sound on this timeline, and this happens to be the sync timeline that I've converted to multicam clip, but my audio is missing. Like I can't hear. You can see the tracks here, but you can't really hear anything. Like the audio is lost. To tackle this, you have to find what the problem is and then find how to resolve it. Okay. So first thing first, what I did was I went to check that timeline to see what's really going on. As a matter of fact, before I went there, you can see the title here. It says sync timeline. It says audio 1. So just to confirm that, I'm going to hold this, select just this audio for instance, and right click. And you see right here, you see it shows audio 1, which means what's here is supposed to be audio 1 in the sync timeline. Now, I personally like to put the audio that I want to be in the cut, the audio that I want to be the main audio that I want to edit with. As a rule of thumb, I just like to put it on track 1. And first thing first is to go see if the audio that I want or that I need is on track 1, right? So now I have to head over to that sync timeline. So I come over here, that's the sync timeline here. I think you can do it, I'm not sure. Yeah, you can do it here as well. You can open in timeline, right? But I just like to do it here because I can see the title of the timeline here. And I mean, it is here as well, but I guess it's just a habit. That's how I like to do it. So you want to right click. Now we're trying to find the problem. We're trying to inspect the timelines and see what's really going on. So you're going to open in timeline. Now this is the synced timeline. Now you see what's happening here. You see my audio 1 has nothing on it. So whoever dropped that comment in my previous video, you might want to check this out with your sync timeline as well. You see it's empty. So now if I do this, this is my main audio that I want to use. If I move this up to that track, which is the audio 1, you see right here, you can hear the sound right there. You can see the waveform right there. So now let me go back to that previous timeline where I'm supposed to be cutting, right? And that's it right there. Now when you play, the audio is right there. Sound is back. So what happened was, for some weird reasons, when I converted the timeline, now you see the wave is showing now. So when I converted converted my synced timeline to multicam, it seems some weird stuff where it's kind of going on. That was what threw everything off. So you always, as a rule of thumb, when you have any type of issue, especially technical issues like this, you want to first trace the problem before you try to solve it. That's how I like to approach things generally. And so yeah, that's how I do it. And I hope this works for you. And if it doesn't, please feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll see what other ways I can help you out. So yeah, that's it. Please hit the like button if this helped you, and also subscribe to my channel as this helps me as well. Yeah, have a good one.